Welcome to this channel, Nessa Sunshine. I'm Nessa, and today we are getting into something icy using the allegedly, the last big palette from Huda Beauty. I did receive this in PR, that's why I am wearing this fun hat. This is definitely not necessary, but this is such a pretty palette. All the icy palettes, there's lots of really pretty cool tone palettes coming out right now, and this is one of them, and so I'm so excited to hopefully do some tutorials on another as well. If you're interested in this look, and I'll talk about the lip combo, well, make sure to subscribe to this channel and let's get into the tutorial. Here are my eyelids, starting off with nothing on. I do have colored contacts. These are the Otaku lenses in the shade Lover Cloud. I do wear prescriptions, so they do have that available, but I have brown eyes naturally. So let's get into the first shade. The first shadow I'm getting into is Poise, and I'm using a Nabla N302 brush. For this, I'll just be taking the tip of the brush and I'll move back and forth in swiper motions from the in the crease, above the crease area, back and forth, swiper motions, just to get everything nicely on there. And then I will get into that on the other side. The next shadow I will be using is She Rich. And this is the Nabla N203 brush, and I will be rolling that into the shade, and then with the tip of that brush on the mobile outer corner of my eyelid, I will start to blend in tiny circular motions, and then I'll go back into She Rich, and I'll move my brush again just by rolling it into the shadow, tapping off the excess, doing the same thing, packing it on, doing the same thing and packing on that shadow a little bit more, blending it, buffing it with the little tiny circular motions, and blend up into the crease, outer crease of the area, go back in to that shade, and I will start to kind of like pat a little bit in that area to kind of pack on the shadow a little bit more, so the outer corner is very defined. And I'll do the same thing to the other side. And I'll be taking a bigger blending brush that I used before, the Nabla N302, just to help blend and diffuse that area with the tip of the brush in very light, like big circle motions. Just diffusing everything. Next, I'm taking my handy dandy ring finger and the shade Platinum, and I'm going to go right on the center of the mobile lid and press and swipe. And now I'm going to do tiny swipes as I blend around that center area. And I'll use my pinky to help me blend further, to help me just blend inner toward the inner corner, inward to the inner corner. Oh yeah. One little trick I like to do when I place the shimmer onto my lids is go back in with the darker shade. If I've created a darker shade first, I'll go back in with a darker shade and I'll blend forward in swiping motions toward the shimmer from the outer corner so that everything is kind of diffused nicely. So I'll blend just forward with the darker shade I use to help just blend everything really nicely together. I'm going to go back into my handy dandy ring finger, press it once into Diamond Dew, and then I'm going to press that Diamond Dew right on the center of the lid for extra dimension. Now I'm pressing this for extra dimension. You don't need to add this if you are concerned about glitter. Go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Now I'm going to go into Iced Out and the Nabla N201 brush. And with this, I'm taking it in my inner corner and I'm kind of blasting it out with the tip of the brush into the other shadow, just so I have some extra flare. This is totally another step that you can skip, because just having this eye without the glitter is a look right there. Do the same thing to the other side if you are following the step. With the same brush and the shade She Reach, I am adding that to the lower lash line. For me, I want the outer corner to be a little bit thicker and then less as I get into the inner corner. I want more of the shade here in the outer corner than in the inner. Do the same thing to the other side. Okay, that pretty much completes the eyeshadow, but if you want to add more of the silver shade, that's what I'm doing. I'm just adding a little here, and then I'm just pressing it. Just pressing and pressing in the inner corner just to connect it to the iced out shade in the inner. So I just press it a little and press it here a little bit more just to have a little bit extra of that silver. And then you could even put it down here as well if you really want to. For mascara, I'm going to just pop on the Fenty mascara. It has a nice, very precise applicator. You just want to add whatever mascara to your lashes so that they're ready and prepped for false lashes if you're going to apply false lashes. If not, I would suggest a waterproof mascara so that your lashes don't weigh down, because this is a lot on the eyelids, and it would be good to have lashes kind of in front of this look to really complete the look. I also applied the mascara to the lower lashes, and I will be using the Milan lashes from Lily Lashes. So I'll pop those on. Then I will look down into my mirror. I will just pop that on in the middle, in the inner corner, and then the outer corner. Like so. So you can see with the lash, without the lash, you choose what to do. So I went ahead and I applied both of the lashes for the Lily Lash Milan lash, and I also tight lined, meaning I put liner under here with my Dose of Colors eyeliner as well, and that completes the eye look. For my lip combo, I'm using the ColourPop What a Slay. This is one of their holiday sets, and I have the lippy pencil in Oh Snap and the ultra glossy lip in Sugar Cookie. This is a perfect combination for this icy look because this is like super, like it just goes with it perfectly. And that completes this look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial using the Huda Beauty Icy Nude palette, one of the last big palettes that she says that she's going to come out with. That's what I've heard allegedly. I am so excited about this particular palette. It seems like lots of people are. It's so pretty, very inspiring, very icy, very winter, like this hat. And yeah, and so is this lip combo, which I adore. Out of all the lip combos or holiday kits that ColourPop has come out with, I really like this one. This is What a Slay. It has ultra glossy lip and a lippy pencil. And yeah, I did show you, like, I think I did show you it right before this, but both of these are so pretty. And yes, I really, really like this icy eye look with this icy lip. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and I will see you next time. Bye! Bye now!